Hello friends, welcome to my channel Snoopy Indian. So today we'll be unboxing a product which will be very useful for you if you are living in a remote area. So nowadays, as you know, that we are all working from home and there are a lot of problems related to networks which are coming. Some of the places we don't have broadband connections available as well. So this is the product which will or which might be able to solve your problems which you are facing related to the networks. Some of us are using mobile phone as a hotspot and other products. However, the things are if you talk about Geo dongle, it's a small device, stays with you always, and it's like not catching proper signals, and the Wi-Fi is also a little bit shabby in Geo router and other routers as well, which are coming from Airtel, V. So things are very problematic, and broadband connection, like as you know, initial setup is very difficult, and then if you don't have proper provider in your area, then it is a big difficulty. So for that matter, we have a product today which will solve, I don't think so it will be able to solve all your problems, but let's see if it solves your problems which you are facing related to your network. So today we have this Huawei box. It's a 4G router. It's a plug and play router, and this router will do an unboxing of this router, and then we'll check and measure the performance of it, whether it is better than your mobile phone hotspot, and we'll place it outside as well and see if there is an improvement in speed and network connectivity. So without further ado, let's just unbox this and let's see what comes in the box first of all. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, let me just have a look, and then let me just try to take apart its seal. It's a seal packed here. I've not even opened it, so I'm gonna see it for the very first time as you guys are seeing this product. Okay, so I've just taken out the seal. Now let's open it up. Okay, so there are some it's a warranty card from Huawei. Okay, there's a quick start guide, which is good actually. It should have with all the products. Then you have some stickers. I don't know what we will use it for, maybe for the network and other things as well. Let's see, and let's just open it again. Okay, this is the router. So the form factor is a bit small. It's a very small router. As you can see, it just comes in my hand easily, very easily. Yeah, so it's a very small router. Let's put it aside. You can just it has a back stand, so you can put it on your desk as well if you want. However, just to get better signals, I'm going to place it outside so that it will get better signals, and then finally it will give me a good connectivity. And this is your adapter which you have. So I think this one is also good adapter. Okay, so these are the things which are there in the box, and there is a cable which I don't think so you will gonna use, because nowadays in our laptops we don't have this port, RJ45 port, so it's of no use. We will be just using the however, this router has a gigabit port on the back, but I don't think so you will be getting any gigabit on 4G in India at least, because in India we are getting around 20 Mbps maximum speed as far as the connectivity goes. Okay, so now without further ado, I'll just turn it up and we'll see how the performance goes of this router. So for that, what I'm gonna do is like I'm just unboxing the cable. Oh, sorry, making the cable out of it so that we can just turn it on and see how it performs. Okay, guys. So let me just plug this one and then see how it goes. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I have just plugged it in. Okay, and I don't know if you are able to see, there are some lights which are lighting up here on this router. So we have a power light, we have a Wi-Fi light, and we have a network light. So the network has 3 bars on it. So just to check its performance, this router's performance, what I will do, I will insert a GeoSIM in this router, and same point of time I have a phone which already has a GeoSIM inside it. So what we will do, we'll just compare neck to neck which one is better in terms of speed. So first I'll just I would not connect this phone to this router, and then I will check the speed, and secondly I'll connect the phone with this router, and then I'll check the speed. So we'll do that. And as mentioned, it's a plug and play device, that's I heard. So first of all, let's just insert GeoSIM in it. So let's see if it takes the SIM. Let me just check how it will take the SIM. Okay, so it will take the SIM like this. Okay, let me just put the SIM inside. And the best thing is, it can take your nano SIM, which is a good thing, because most of the routers I've seen, they have the adapter. You need to put that adapter like this one, and then you need to insert the SIM, and then it works. So now it is blinking like hell. The Wi-Fi light is blinking on this router. So let's just first check the speed here. What is the geo speed we are getting? So let me just open the speed test app. Let's see if I have it. Okay, I don't have a speed test app. So what I'll do is like I'll just open the browser and then do the speed test. Okay, so it's not connected to any network right now. Oh, sorry, it's not connected to any Wi-Fi right now. It's just a raw speed. So I'll show you the speed. Okay, so we are getting a download speed of 7.25 Mbps without connecting to this router. Okay, now let me just go ahead and set this router up. So for that, what I'll do is like I'll just connect it with this mobile phone. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Let me just find it out how to connect it. For that, we'll just try to find out the Wi-Fi first of all. Okay, we'll see how many Wi-Fi's are connected here. I think this is the Wi-Fi we have. Now it's asking for a password, and I don't think so that I have any password. Let me check if it has a password. So password, it says it's admin, and Wi-Fi password it has given me, which is very long. So let me just type the password. I'm gonna change the password. It's very complicated right now. I'm not sure will gonna work. Oh man, this is so complicated. I don't know these companies why they do that. It's like very difficult password. Okay, finally I'm able to enter the password. Now let's hit connect. It will give me the accuracy. Okay. Now let's sign into the network. Alright, so we are getting into the Huawei. Welcome to mobile broadband, it says. Now again it's asking for a password. Let me just enter the password here. So let me just check. It's again on the back of the device. So let's hit login. It says something something something, which is good. Let's click on next. And it gives me user agreement, which I click on agree. Now I'll enable it. I have inserted a SIM card, so I'll click on that. I'll click on next. I'll just click on same as Wi-Fi password. I'll click on next. My router is done, so I'll click on restart. So it's restarting the device now. And I think once this is restart, it will take the APN settings automatically. That's I'm hoping, but I'm not sure whether it will do that or not. Let's see if this works. Now this device has gone like it's turned off. Now it's turning off the Wi-Fi, it seems. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's turned on. So guys, it takes a lot of time to turn on. Okay, so you need to just have patience for this device to Okay, now it's connected, and it's connected to the internet also. So now let's just again check the speed. So last time we were getting 7 Mbps, as you know. Now let's see if this device is any better than what your mobile phone is. So I'm just opening the hit speed test app. I'm opening the same speed test window, and we'll click on go. Now we are connected to the Huawei. Okay. Little bit disappointment. It's giving me 4.13 Mbps right now. So I think that like because of the network fluctuation, it might happen. However, we'll just test again if it is any good again. Okay. Speed is not good. However, what I see is, which is a very good thing, its ping is 30 millisecond, which is earlier it was 45 and 60. So ping time has been reduced. However, speed has been a little bit reduced using this device. Now again, let's just disconnect this device and see if our mobile phone, how much speed our mobile phone is getting. So I'm just disconnecting this device right now. It's disconnected now. Now let's test again if our mobile phone is any better than this. Okay. Now again checking. Mobile phone is also at par with this device, so that means it's a device which is giving you like the similar speed as your mobile phone, not that great improvement. However, what I think is there is a SMA connector in this device, if you see here on the back. So if you connect this SMA connector to an antenna, I think this speed will definitely gonna improve. And I'm gonna place it outside because you can't place your phone outside every time now. So we'll just place this phone outside and then we'll check the speed, and then I think speed will be good, because mobile phone you cannot put it outside every time. So I'm gonna test this device again, like after some time, and then I will give you review of this device, whether it is any good or not. So thanks for watching this video. You have a nice day. Thank you, and please subscribe.